Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna go through the city center traffic. Oh my god, come on, open the gate. Oh no, I was told the sensor is not gonna catch the bike, so I think I have to wait for someone to come and help me. Okay, let me back up my bike a little bit. More. And it is so hot. Trust me guys, it is so hot. Come on, please. Please, somebody. Oh yeah, he's coming. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Hey, let's go. Wait for me. No tailgating, I know, but it's emergency. In emergency case, I can go. Yeah, this is like 3 o'clock p.m. and I know it will be a busy time. Everybody will be rushing to pick up their kids from school. I have to be very careful because the cars will be on my right and left, and this is my first time experience to ride in the city center. Couldn't be a better day than this. Sunny, cool, happy. Wow, okay. I never thought it will be this busy. I have to keep a distance. I think so. It looks like high danger zone. Come on, move on. Stop honking me. Move on. Oh my god. Wow. Am I in India? I don't know how people ride their bikes in India. It's more busier than this. Is the traffic as busy always like this? Or is it just me feeling it under pressure? Because I'm riding my bike first time at a peak time. Well, it's not easy to hop up on your bike and take it anywhere. I think I have to be very careful riding in a busy traffic. But this was the only way to go home. And this was the only time I had to finish my work and I'm going home. So, I'm stuck at this time in this traffic now. Hopefully, I will arrive home safe. Right, look at this lorry driver. He's just pushing me. He is behind me, but he's getting too close. And he's trying to come to my right hand side. Look at that. He should stay behind me. What are you doing, man? You can't even see me. I am panicking. Stop overtaking me. Oh my god. Yeah, so that lorry driver, he should have stayed behind me and he should have kept me in his eyes till I was gone from in front of him. But the way he was driving was absolutely wrong. I don't agree with it. What if my bike was fallen in his wheels, he wouldn't have even realized it. Hey, watch out. He wouldn't have even realized it. I mean, because he was sitting on right hand side and I was on his blind spot, anything could have happened there. Or he couldn't even see my L plate or what. Oh gosh. This is really an experience. Last time I had an experience of riding my bike in a rain, and today I'm riding in a busy traffic, so yeah, good, not bad. As long as I arrive home safely, I don't mind. I'm just having a problem in picking up my bike, so I don't like stopping my bike again and again and again, so I just like to keep riding it, keep going straight or just turn right and left. Look at the traffic and how busy it is. I don't understand, the same amount of cars are going to that side and the same number of amount of cars are coming to this side. Right, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We are nearly there, we are nearly there. Guys, I have a plan. Next time I'm going in my lorry. I'm traveling in my big lorry. So I'm gonna make a movie in it, and hopefully next clip will be in my lorry. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now quickly so you don't miss the next clip. And if you like this video, smash the like button now. And I hope to see you soon again. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.